let's see what we can do to summarize PDFs so that we have notes that can be utilized by Smart Connections. List the PDFs in my source attachments folder. Okay, updated that action. Let's try that again. Summarize each PDF in a new Markdown file adjacent to the PDF, same folder. With the same name, replacing .pdf with .empty. Each note should begin with a wiki link, example name.pdf, to the relevant PDF. Complete one at a time. Output directly to the new note. Try again. This time use well-formatted Markdown lists with well-named headings for each list. With 3 to 5 top level list items. Then continue to the next PDF So I'm actually running Smart Connect on my other computer right here. Looks like we ran into an error there because it thought that the last note was still there while I deleted it. Let's see if it can recover on its own. Okay, so it did retry. That's why it failed twice, which is actually part of the system prompt instructions. The reason for retrying a failed request is so that in case that there's a temporary disconnect between your computer and the ChatGPT, this way it can recover without going off track. Okay, now let's see. So this PDF seems to, or this note about the PDF seems to look much better. Let's see, so now it looks like the next, it seems to have jumped, but maybe it just has to do with the ordering of these. So yeah, so we jump down to there. It seems like this, the sorting here is a little bit different than the sorting in the Obsidian files. But let's check this out. So it completed the next one and it gave us a link, so we can use that link. Let's check out what this PDF was. Oh, okay, for a planner, okay. Let's check out the next one. Quarterly overview. Okay, fair enough. Monthly overview. Seems on track. So seems we got cut off here. Let's refresh and see what happens. So continue, but add a suggested name for to most accurately represent the PDF and note as the top level heading for each summary notes. So, you know what this probably was? Let's grab that, and we will refresh again. Basically, okay, we'll just do that. It's like a little glitchy sometimes, it seems, but now we switch back here, and let's re-add this instruction, but this time make sure we include Smart Connect there. weekly overview. I mean, pretty straightforward. Looks like next one is a daily overview. It's interesting that it's writing the note there first. So, daily overview, following instructions, looking pretty good. I find it interesting that that one has a, I guess it's because it has the 3 there. Okay, but let's do this. Let's say output summary note directly into the create note action, skipping making a summary variable in code interpreter to save time. You know, I don't even know quarterly, monthly, weekly. Well, it seems like these next couple PDFs it tried to retrieve just do not exist. They weren't, yeah, they didn't pop up here. So get my PDFs from the folder again and then continue. Make sure you retrieve the list of PDFs after every, so that you make sure you stay on track. Let's see, what was that error? Maybe that was a connection error? Let's pause it here because this last one, research paper summary, we'll do suggested name should be relevant to the subject of the PDF. For example, research paper would have would be better as the title of the paper. Clarify your understanding of all of the relevant instructions up until this point, then please continue. Oh, you know what? Okay, good, that's off. You know, I think this is going pretty well. I think now is a good time to sign off. I hope you got the gist of this workflow here. You can use it to create notes based on PDFs in your Obsidian Vault. And one reason you would want to do this is because Smart Connections, this little plugin over here that shows you relevant content, so you can see emerging trends in AI research now, when before this PDF wouldn't work with Smart Connections. Now you can see it's bringing up advanced topics in machine learning as relevant, the research paper as relevant. You know, there's another one. So that's using Smart Connect, the Obsidian GPT that connects your Obsidian Vault to ChatGPT without uploading all of your data to the cloud. That's using the Smart Connect to create notes based on PDFs in your vault. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts and how you are using Smart Connect.